God is looking for people who are sold out to Him.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll say to you very briefly. The enemy of your soul has one desire. He comes to steal, to kill, and destroy. Idolatry is when you take anything or any person and put them in the place God ought to be. The unbelievers worship what they make, their wealth and their work. They idolize what they own, and they make and what they make with their hands. But their things can't talk or answer their prayers.
Come on.
Their possessions will never satisfy.
That's right.
Their futile faith in idols and good works can never bring life or meaning to their souls. Blind men can only create blind things. Did you get that? Those deaf to God can only make a deaf image.
Wow.
Dead men can only create dead idols. And everyone who trusts in these powerless dead things will be, watch this, will be just like they worship. Whenever we worship a created object, or a person, or an animal, we are acting unnaturally towards the Creator. And through this unnatural worship of a created thing, the life of the worshiper takes on increasingly unnatural characteristics as well. And that unnatural character is reflected in the unnatural sexual sins that Paul later describes. That's what he says in Romans.
Yeah.
He says, because you don't love the Creator and worship Him like you're supposed to, right? You're going to end up doing unnatural things with your body that they was never meant to do. In 2 Corinthians chapter 3:18, but we all with unveiled face, beholding as in a mirror the glory of the Lord, are being transformed into the same image, from glory to glory, just as from this Lord, the Spirit. Did you get that?
Yes.
What happens as a result of worshiping God? What happens as a result of looking for God, seeing Jesus? You get changed.
Be transformed.
You be transformed into what He looked like. The word says, today if you hear my voice, don't harden your heart. God loves us so much that these words, although difficult to hear, although difficult to receive, are absolutely necessary for our soul.